Alright, what's up guys? Jack here. Just went to my local Target and bought a couple packs, and I couldn't wait to get home to film a video for this. So I figured I'd do one right now here on the fly. So got one for Sun and Moon. And let's crack it open. And let's hope we pull something good. Alright, so we got Sandile. We got a Picky Peck. We got a Sparrow. We got a Fomantis, a Morlul, and a foil is a Rainbow Energy, cool, and our rare is a Toucannon, We got Energy, double colorless, a Pyukumuku, a Krokorok, and a Code. So this Rainbow Energy looks rather cool. Alright guys, this has been Jack, signing out.